Start by showing you how I custom save the dimensions for a YouTube thumbnail or video. You can follow along and see me go to Edit and choose a custom canvas size, which will be 1280 by 720 pics. Now that's the YouTube one, and at 300 ppi. In ArtRage, you can add a tracing layer to your canvas, but I prefer to add the reference image as a layer at the top of the layer stack, as I find it's clearer to trace around. Now I change the blend mode or the blend layer to multiply. This allows me to trace with the sketch showing on the layer below. Using the ink pen in black and set to 2% in size, I have saved this as a preset so I don't have to change the color and size each time I want to use it. I will trace around the kitten. This part is boring, so I'll speed it up. You see the M in the head marking? I understand this is common in tabby cats, but I've never been able to pick it out myself. And I've had a number of tabbies live with me, or I've been owned by them, and I've not been able to see this M, but I see it in this picture. I'm not sure if this reference is a photo or a digital print. The eyes look digital, but the rest looks like a photo. You'll see me check back and forth to the image, making sure I have filled in the necessary marks. I'll explain the small reference picture here. I can use this to enlarge parts of the kitten, like I have with the eye, and later the nose. I can move the image within the frame and make the image itself larger, as you will see also later. Now I'm starting on the eyes, followed by the nose. This also is sped up. but you might spot where I'm unhappy with the nose and redo it more than once, I think. I'm going to flood the body with a base color. In preparation for the fur detail, and airbrush a lighter color under the white parts of the kitten. This is as far as I go on this video. I'll record the rest later if there's any interest and post it here as part 2. If you have made it this far, I thank you and appreciate your patience. Perhaps you could let me know in the comments if you like this type of video or suggest something you might be interested in. Thanks again for watching.